Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we are learning les jours de la semaine. That is the days of the week in French. The French start their calendar days from Monday to Sunday, unlike the English natives who started from Sunday. Alright, so let's read the title of the day in a slow motion together. Les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. Right, so that is the days of the week. From our topic of the day, we have two new vocabularies. The first one is jour, jour. The second one, semaine, semaine. So jour for day, semaine for week. And there we have our first day of the week. I've included the pronunciations in the brackets so that you can read through to be able to follow well. So I'll be reading as you repeat after me. Lundi, lundi, that is Monday. Mardi, mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, jeudi. So the J here in French is read like the G in beige. Let's read that once again. Jeudi for Thursday. Vendredi, vendredi. Friday. Samedi, samedi. That is Saturday, and other people prefer to call it samedi. Samedi. Dimanche, dimanche. That is our last day, Sunday. So I'll give you a few seconds to read through for a refreshment, and then we shall read them together. Go. All right, so we read through together once again. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. All right, so we have a few vocabularies that arise when we're talking about the days of the week. Same like in English, we can talk about today, we can talk about yesterday, tomorrow, the week, last week, next week, and letting the party begin, the weekend. All right, so we are going to read through together. So the first vocabulary there is hier, hier. So remember the H in French that we're calling letter H is always silent. So let's read that words again. Hier. That is yesterday. Second vocabulary is aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. So that is today. And we have demain, demain. That is tomorrow. La semaine dernière. La semaine dernière. La semaine prochaine. La semaine prochaine. So we already know semaine is week. We have dernière and prochaine as our new words in this screen now. So dernière is last, prochaine is next or future. So let's say it once again. La semaine dernière. La semaine prochaine. That is for last week and next week, respectively. Then the last one is le weekend. Le weekend. What is that? Yeah, you got it correct. That is the weekend. The weekend, just like in English. All right, for practice, I have one question here. Quel jour est-il aujourd'hui? Quel jour est-il aujourd'hui? Can you see this the wordings popping up here on the screen? So this is the exact translation. Quel for what? Jour, we already know what was it, right? Est-il, is it? And then aujourd'hui, what was it? Correct. So let's say it one more time. Quel jour est-il aujourd'hui? To respond to that, depending on which day you're actually watching this video, you can reply in the comments or for your own practice. Practice with your peers. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Let's translate this one. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. I think the new word here is c'est. So to mean today is Monday. Then you can play around with the other days depending on which day you want to talk about. Alright, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.